Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you how you can delete a page in Wix editor or wix.com. So take note that this page is already a published website. Okay, as you can see there, it has its URL. Okay, so Ken L. Bernardino that wixsite.com. Okay, so this is already published. Okay, and these two are not published yet. Okay, so to do that, click this drop down menu here. You can see from the very bottom of the menu, you can see move to trash. Click it. Okay, and it will ask you to confirm. And if you decided to delete that page, please confirm by clicking this button, move to trash. Okay, let's click it. Okay, and as you can see, the published page was already deleted. Okay, so that is how you are going to delete a published website in Wix.com. So if you find this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.